Hello guys, if you wanna run an RPO or run pass option in Madden 27, you can either hand the ball off, throw a quick pass or keep it with the quarterback. To hand the ball off to your running back, take the snap and press nothing. Your quarterback will automatically hand the ball to the running back. If you wanna pass instead, you need to make the throw very quickly, usually within about 2 seconds. Press the receiver button like A, X or Y depending on the route and get the ball out quickly. If you wanna keep the ball with your quarterback, hold A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation after the snap and your quarterback will keep the ball and run. However, keep in mind some RPO plays are designed to always hand the ball off, so in those plays, your quarterback won't have the option to keep the ball. The key with an RPO is making your decision quickly, because if you wait too long, the game will automatically hand the ball off to your running back. You should also pay attention to the defensive formation before the snap. Look at how many defenders are near the line of scrimmage and whether they are coming forward or staying back. For example, if the defense is using a lighter front, that could give you a better opportunity to run the ball. If you see defenders moving toward the running back, you may wanna quickly throw the ball instead if you have an open receiver. So when running an RPO in Madden 27, read the defense, make your decision quickly and choose between the handoff, quick pass or quarterback keep. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.